How to share a video from GoPro Quik to TikTok. First of all, open the app on your device to get started. Next, navigate to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen and carefully select the video you want to share from your media library. After that, tap on the share icon usually found at the top of the screen. Then choose the share media option. From the list of available sharing platforms, select TikTok to proceed with sharing your video. You might be prompted to allow GoPro Quik to open the TikTok app or sign into your TikTok account if you haven't already. The app will then open TikTok with your selected video ready for editing. Once inside TikTok, you can add music, effects, captions, or hashtags as you like. Finally, tap the post button to upload your video directly from GoPro Quik to your TikTok profile. Now you know how to share a video from GoPro Quik to TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.